Now we will see how to execute a Java program without any installed IDE. Okay, we don't have Eclipse, we don't have Vue.js, still we need to run a Java program. Okay, how we can do this? Sometimes it may happen, right? We have a brand new laptop, okay, and there is some urgency to write a program, or we are in an institution, maybe a school or college, uh, but due to some reason in some machine, the Blue.j or Eclipse is not working, maybe JDK is not installed, or wrong version of JDK is installed, that is not compatible with these softwares, I mean the IDEs. Okay, in that case, what we can do? It's very simple. Go to Google, okay, go to Google, type any online Java compiler. That's it. So there are many compilers, you can select any one of them. Most of the time I use this is a good one, okay, but I will give you some link, but I mean I'm not promoting any of the website, so you can use any of them. Okay, this is the sample code. You can change it or you can write your own code. Just type hello world, run it. This is showing hello world. Okay, if I have done some printing mistake, okay, print ln, I'm removing l, I'm removing n, now it's print l, right? See here, it is giving the error. Okay, one thing keep in mind, that reading error is a very good habit. Okay, when you read a error, you will understand what is the issue, what is the problem of this code. Okay, so here what is saying, system.out.println, there is an arrow symbol, uh, variable out of type print stream one error. Okay, it's not clear, but something happening in this line, right? So obviously we can see, okay, one n is missing. Clear? This is just a very basic example. So this is one of the way you can write your program, you can execute it, you can compile it without any pre-installed ID in your system. You don't need JDK, you don't need any ID. Open Google, type online Java compiler, okay, select one of them, write your code and run.